indigenous people of Lagos, and so they claim, has said that Igbos should be allowed, that Igbos are better, Igbos has contributed more, and those who are threatening them, maybe non-indigenous of Yoruba extraction, I should cease fire and allow Igbos to do what they know how best to do. Is that a sign of that the people of Lagos, the indigenous people of Lagos, want Igbos in Lagos?
Yeah, I think the press statement they gave, right, in which I've never even come across it, but being confirmed by Niyi that he saw the press statement. You see, these same people, they are crying out loud. You can't just trust them easily. It may be because the center is no more holding for them. For all of them, they are money mongers. Let me tell you that. All of them, they is all about to grab and share the incomes that Lagos is getting, because they know the cash cow. The Lagos is a cash cow as it is, because a lot of people pay taxes, a lot of a lot of activities going on in Lagos, multinational, the southeast, the south generally, the crude oil, everything that comes in, and there's an argument now being profiled by being profiled by what's it called, the south people, that the oil that is coming from what's it called, the south, how come they share the money in Lagos? And I now look at it really that all the bank, all the oil companies, headquarters are in Lagos. So definitely Lagos is a cash cow, and the sharing formula of the state actors and non-state actors is what is causing all this. Now, I can tell you what, by the time they give them what they want, they will keep their mouth shut. So don't, any press statement anybody is giving is for his own self, what's it called? I don't always believe in tomorrow. Now you see they come together now and the rubbing mind together. It's all about everybody want to be practical of the allocations coming to Lagos. The largest that is coming to Lagos. That's why you see investors coming to Lagos every day. Every day, port of entry is always filled up, of investors. And look how our brother from the southeast too. Every day they come in, come and invest, because they know Lagos is a cash cow. Where you come, as they said in our palace language, amu is just like you remember those our old women used to use then, amu, pots. That's pots, water pots, where they put water that will be chilly. That anybody that comes there, they will draw their own and it will never dry. It's like sea never dry. Lagos sea never dry. Lagos prosperity never dry. That's the issue where everybody is grabbing to have his own stake. Even the indigenous, they are just waking up that they have been sleeping in slumber, and that is what the indigenous. And what are the indigenous? They talk of their worries. You talk of the what's it called, the Ekpe zone. You talk of the Korodu. You talk of just say all that, and I can tell you categorically, the southeast too supposed to, and they have been doing that for a while. I think that we used to have commissioner of some commissioners from the southeast then, even former the commissioner for what's it called, was it budget management, happens to be an planning happens to be an Igbo extraction. Yeah, you remember? So anybody that is still crying for that should know that the system has started already. It takes two to tango, right? And we ourselves, we're supposed to be finding way to mend the fence, not to destroy the fence. I'm talking of you and I and everybody here. It's happening already. When you go to Alausa, you see some Igbos working in Alausa. I was shocked that I wasn't shocked, but no, actually, that the leader of all these people, what they call them? This advert stuff that they come to your place and see your advert agency was being led by the group was being led by Igbo lady. So anybody that is telling you that somebody hates Igbo, somebody don't like Igbo, is the poverty that is worrying that kind of person. Because when you get to the real stream where the Igbos and the Yorubas are engaging Igbos, you will be forced to shut the mouth up. So I look at the people that poverty is still worrying up on the street, say Igbo are this, they're not. The real Igbo, you see them, some are collecting contracts from Lagos State. They are doing contracts. I mean, was there anybody discriminating against this guy, the secretary of what's it called, APC in Lagos? What's his name? You remember the guy I'm talking about? Joe Igbokwe. Joe Igbokwe. You know, so what are we saying? I'm just tired. At times I get tired of all this, the people around me, that how come they degenerated to so low to this level that they don't even know what is going on.
It is not now afraid of Tinubu because they are saying, please restructure the country now. Is there any thing you are seeing that is actually fishing, considering the fact that Tinubu is still interested in second-term ambition?
I will even tell Mr. Tinubu, right, that if the second time is not working, let's hit the ground of decentralization running. Me, I'm tired of the system of this country. I've never benefited anything good from this country. It's all about some cartel, some people. I don't say, APC, you support APC. I supported APC. I supported the president because I knew the direction it was going, right? I just foresee the direction. And what are the directions? It's not all about give me rice, give me. How do we settle the problem once and for all? It's not about rice is 20,000, 50,000. The problem that, brought up all this scarcity, all this, how do we settle the one once and for all? And how do we settle it? Is just that constitution, the certain constitution that we use it, that is not working. We need to bring that constitution on the table. We need to bring the constitution and the confab of Jonathan. I've been emphasizing on this Jonathan.
Okay, if Tinubu doesn't do this in less than a few years from now, would you be disappointed?
There's pressure on him already.
Okay.
Pressure from the elder statesmen like Kanu,
okay,
the former UN, former what's it called, Commonwealth Secretary General. There's pressure on him. People like the leader of the Yoruba land, Adebanjo. Even a lot of
but the North are not talking about constitutional review. The North is saying restructure the country now, leave constitution first. So
how will you restructure the country without the inputs, without an input from the constitution? How will you restructure the country? So that they should be killing, they should not be killed. The killers of the killers that are killing them. It will kill by sword must die by sword. All this amnesty they've been giving, is that the right thing? Somebody will kill and you say you give amnesty. You enlisted him into the military. You come and join the military. And bad egg is always a bad egg. And a rotten egg is always a rotten egg. There's no how you can reform it. So what are we now saying? It's the law. It's the law. And the law has to be attached to the constitution. And that law and that constitution is what we're supposed to be bringing out now. If anybody go astray and you see what is on our hand, it's not one single man constitution, it's the general constitution of the country. And you need to pay for it. You need to go for it. Look at China now.
Yes, it looks like you got the picture. The Nigerian military are running away from Nigeria. What is your fear for Nigeria now? We are seeing military saying we are not interested in military. This thing. You can check it out on Sahara Reporters, Premium Times. They are saying no. They don't understand the leadership anymore of this country, military-wise. What is your fear at this point about Nigeria?
Okay, my fear now is, have you ever seen any country that is fighting a war that has never finished, that is within the state, within its country? As they have been killing these people, they are sabotage. They are still regrouping them. You say you want to give them amnesty, you enlisted them, and there will be third forces, there will be non-state actors that will start giving information, ambushing all these soldiers. Have you not seen have you not heard a lot of stories of ambush that soldiers have been ambushed because they want to set things right, to clear up all these the imbeciles that call themselves the bandits. They have informants now. They have informants, and those informants, you could see how they ambush the other guy. The well-trained Colonel, is it Yusuf or Colonel something? Well-trained guy. They ambushed him because of what? There was information that they got from the same, you know. So until we start getting things up, until we start reducing the population we have, because I think this population is supposed to be working for us for good, but it's working for us for
But
bad.
is that the way military should run away?
Why would
military, they're military.
yeah, well now, why will they be killing them, and they go to battlefield? There are some third forces that will be giving the enemy information. Aren't you aware of that? Aren't you aware of that? It's a system that really work, that you will want to be loyal to, that you want to stay with.
Toji Bello, a notorious bandit from the north, has issued a statement and saying that everybody should distance themselves because they are ready. Nobody should go to farm until. And Nigerian government has been watching this man for years.
Can you imagine state actors? Non-state actors, right? Non-state actors giving such a non-state actor.
Nobody should go to farm in the north.
And nevertheless,
and before you go to farm, you have to pay him.
Say that idiot did not know that territory is gagging now. It's gagging against now. It belongs to every single citizen of that region. Does he know that? Does he know that? He's creating his own cabal, he's creating his own colony under federal system of government. Is that the kind of fellow you want me to attach to as a federal in the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Is that the fellow? That's what I'm saying. I'm sick and tired. If we can decentralize, if we can go regionalism, let everybody go and treat his headache. That's the simple truth. We don't know how to carry gun. We don't know, but we will be doing what? We'll be passing the message through our mouths. And you know, we'll be passing the message through our mouth because this Nigeria belongs to all of us.
Gani Adams came out and said, Mr. President Tinubu, in an open letter, time is running out. Is there anything you think that Gani Adams is a message is trying to pass to Tinubu? What does that message really mean to you?
I would not be able to emphasize on the message, but I can see.
But he has written to the president and said, time is running out. From your own, as an analyst, public affairs analyst, you know, what does that message actually, what can you...
Time is running out to get things right, to fix the country, to put back the country where it belongs, where it's supposed to be. Time is running out because all these political issues cannot help us. Let us come to the reality that we can fool for ourselves for 100 years, we cannot fool ourselves forever. You know, we cannot fool ourselves forever, and that's what is going on. We are just fooling ourselves. So time is running out for that foolishness. So let us get things right. You know, that's just my message for that. That's what I assume Gani Adams is, you know, because all these things is just it's not helping. It's not helping. Some are making plans to, you know, organize the country well, and some are destroying. Some are destroying.
These northern politicians, everybody kept quiet, including the Sultan of Sokoto, and so many of them like that. People are being killed, and especially the middle belters are paying a lot. You know, up to now, government has never been able to do anything. Are you suspecting that is a kind of conquest agenda, you know, in disguise that is going on?
Point of correction, my brother. Sultan is talking. Sultan of Sokoto is talking. You know, I've been a retired soldier. He's talking, and I can say it categorically. He's one of the elders that have been talking. You know, they ambush him. I mean, they attack him. Not too long. Were you aware that he was attacked? So let's give it to Sultan of Sokoto. He's been talking. But when others are talking like Sultan, even where are the sponsors of this Boko Haram? Where are the sponsors of this bandit that were caught in Dubai? Remember, in which what's it called, the Attorney General?
Yes, yeah, Malamide and
Malami,
all
you've not heard anything again.
we've not had anything.
You've not heard,
And
yes.
it looks like the Muslim ticket is looking the other way, signaling that they might be in support of the feudal system, political feudal system, with the alliance between the north and the southwest. Is that not what it looks like? No, because a sophisticated southerner like Tinubu, who is in a position of authority, someone to have held these people to account for it, even though when he has also reshuffled the military, brought his own men, and still all is not well.
All can never be well because when you look at the population of each side of the country, of each side of the region, some are more placed than others. So you should know we started with the British colony. You should know that all those trends is still on. All those trends, British monopoly, handing over power to so areas. For them to be controlling the others. So it's there. So those kinks we need to break. We need to break those kinks and be normal. Everybody will be normal back. So from that, you'll be on a straight set. You want to run 100 meters race, you'll be on the same set, or your marks just set go. If you like, you stay there, you kill yourself on the track. If you like, you go for medals, for glory. It's at your own,
Are you not seeing the reason why somebody like Sunday Igboho them rose up because they want to break that British king?
I supported Sunday Igboho. I was following Sunday Igboho and I was praying for him. Likewise, the Kanu of this world. I supported them because it was such oppression that put them to what they are doing. It was such oppression. People like me, I cannot withstand. When I was in school, I was a bit oppressed. They were a bit oppressed. The rich men in the boarding schools, they would be doing anyhow, misbehaving. But the law will not catch up with them. For minor things, we were supposed to be in the dining to eat food. And the food we are eating, we are allergic to eat. We don't, So we just went to basketball court and the principal said, oh yeah, you guys, suspension. Go and bring your parents. And what is good for the goose supposed to be good for the gander. But what happened? There was favorism. And we protested. That cost us a year suspension in school. Nobody will fight for your right for you. It's you that you need to. That is what the Igboho and the Kanu are saying now.